हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू राजश्री चौहान क्लासेस। आज मैं आपको हिस्ट्री के 9th स्टैंडर्ड का फर्स्ट लेसन जो हमारा है सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री, उसके मैं आज आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दूंगी। तो अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा फर्स्ट लेसन देखा नहीं होगा हिस्ट्री का और अदर सब्जेक्ट्स 9th स्टैंडर्ड के, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल में जाकर प्लेलिस्ट में चेक कर कीजिए। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। Choose the correct option from the given option and complete the statement. The National Archive of India is situated in New Delhi. Okay, तो इसका आंसर क्या है? New Delhi. The dash is included among the audio-visual media. Television. The television is included among the audio-visual media. Third is what? Dash is not included in physical sources. Proverbs. Proverbs is not included in physical sources. Identify and write the wrong pair. This is person and specialist. और हम अभी देखो, Joel Cowper was a specialist. Okay, this is right. कुसुमाग्रज poet. कुसुमाग्रज ने poet लिखे है, right. अन्ना भावसाटे a people's bard. This is also right. But Amar Sheikh art collector. This is wrong. But Amar Sheikh was a people's bard, and this is right. Okay, this is Joel Cowper का right है, कुसुमाग्रज का right है, अन्ना साठे का right है, but Amar Sheikh का wrong है. Okay, चलो let's see our right short notes on. This is our first right short note on written source. The written source include newspaper and periodical, postage stamp, diaries, and corresponding encyclopedias and reference book, government gazettes, and document in archives. These sources provide information about national and international affairs in politics, sports, literature, and as well as social and cultural affairs. Newspaper of various movements, the daily and weekly and political parties, monthlies, annuals, magazines are also important sources of information. Nowadays, huge amount of information is available on internet as well. So now we have seen first answer. Now let's go to the second answer, that is Press Trust of India. Press Trust of India, that is PTI. The Press Trust of India, PTI, has been an important source of primary details of all information events for newspaper in India since 1953. PTI also provides reports, photographs, and articles on finance and scientific issues to newspaper. In 1990s, the PTI started using the technology of satellite broadcasting instead of teleprinting to send news all over the country. The PTI now has started its online services. The material provided by the PTI is an important source for written history of modern India. Next is explain the following statement with the reason. The Postal Department tries to preserve the heritage and integrity of Indian culture through postage stamp. Come on, let's see this answer. The Postal Department tried to preserve the heritage and integrity of Indian culture through the postage stamp. इसका आंसर है, there have been a number of changes in the postage stamp since independence. Postage stamp reveals a lot about changes time, variety of size, novelty of subject, and color scheme. The Postal Department issue postage stamp on a wide variety of themes like political leaders, flowers, birds, and animals. It issues postage stamp at events like silver, gold, and diamond jubilee century, bicentenary, and tricentenary of different events. It is a valuable repost of history. In this way, the Postal Department tries to preserve the heritage and integrity of Indian culture through the postage stamp. Come on, let's see our last question. ऑडियो पर इसके पहले मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ. अगर आपने मेरा हिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट लेसन का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देखा होगा तो आपके आंसर्स बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज मैंने ये सब चीज़ें जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी हैं वो मैंने वो फर्स्ट वीडियो में पूरे एक्सप्लेन किए हुए हैं. सो प्लीज़ आप वो फर्स्ट वीडियो पहले देखकर फिर आप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लर्न करना स्टार्ट कीजिए. कम ऑन, लेट्स रीड आवर क्वेश्चन. Audio and visual media are important sources of writing the history of modern India. Audio-visual media are important sources of writing the history of modern India. आंसर क्या है? टेलीविजन, फिल्म्स एंड इंटरनेट आर कॉल्ड audio visual media. Television pictures and telecast important events in politics, social issues, arts, sports and culture. Similar work is done by Indian News Review. In addition, it produced documentaries on prominent social leaders on people who have made major contribution to the country. These news released the documentary are useful for studying of the history of modern India. Thus, audiovisual media are important sources of writing the history of modern India. And this way we have completed our first lesson with full explanation and question answers. So in next video I'll start my second lesson, that is India events after 1960. Thank you.